Hey guys, it's XL here. I'm bringing you Michael here. He got first place at locals with Yang Zings. And this is what he got. 3 packs of Astral Pack 6 and 11 packs of new challengers.
Alright, let's do this.
Alright, Michael.
Start off with, actually we'll save these for last.
Yeah.
So do some new challengers. Get out of here. Nada.
Nothing, alright. Second pack. Nothing.
Nothing
right.
yet.
Looking for that Seeker rare.
That Denko.
Damn, that Denko.
Oh, okay.
Trevor.
Cool.
Is it Ultra?
Yeah, it's Ultra.
Alright. First hollow. Ultra Trevor.
Alright.
Oh,
nice.
Really nice. Secret rare. You got the secret. And the other guy got crap.
Hopefully not, dude.
You got the secret already. I don't know if they do like their
Maybe,
first then, right?
Yeah, I think
there is a box then. You got the secret of the box. Oh, that thing. Super.
Whatever.
3 down.
Not bad.
They're going like $20 right there.
Yeah.
Damn.
Wait, how much is that?
I think it is 20. Nothing.
Ghost maybe?
Oh, yeah, it goes. Probably. Nothing.
Ah, there we go.
Nothing.
Alright, 3 packs left.
3 packs for the new challengers. Bambi. Oh, that.
Oh well.
Yeah. 4 hollows down.
Come on. Let's get one more.
And one more. The ulti.
Ulti Trevor.
The ulti Trevor. One more pack.
Damn it. Alright. No. Okay. Alright, let's go with Astral Pack 6.
This Astral Pack.
Oh no!
Aw, it's
like crap.
Trash. Makina.
It's booty.
Garbage. What'd you get there?
This thing.
Black.
Can't open these packs, man.
Black Dragon. Oh, it's called everything with this.
The last one.
Fuckboy deck.
Fuckboy.
What is that?
White Dragon.
White Dragon.
Nice.
Damn, both black and white.
Nice. Alright.
Alright, let's bring out the hollows you got in. The decent ones.
And there's poop right here.
And there's poop right here. Well, that was the opening, guys. I'll be posting the first place deck profile of Yang Zings in another video. So like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.